sejahtera. Okay. First of all, I share. Okay. So today I would like to share about industrial location theory. Okay. Okay. So actually the basic rule we have to know about the industrial location theory means located for transportation cost. So actually divided for two, raw material and final product. Of course, that for the industrial actually try to minimize cost for transportation. Okay, this is two cases or situation actually related to transportation costs. Okay, first, weight of the final product is less than the weight of the raw material, and second product heavier than the raw material required transport. Actually, this is depend on type of industrials and depend on final product and raw material, of course. Okay, actually weight of the final product is less than the weight of the raw material. Sometimes the industry can cover the cost for the transportations. Okay, and actually the industrial weight gaining industry mean located near to the market, of course, because I mentioned just now the industry try to minimum the cost transportation, and also located near to raw material. This is for a process of final product and their business process. Okay, and this is a three main factor, which mean land, labor, and capital. Okay, maybe other factor influencing the industrial location. I mentioned just now depend on type of industry. Actually, the main aim is to maximize profit and minimize cost. Okay, I think it's all of needed from industry. Okay, any business, any founder try to maximize the company profits and try to minimize costs. Okay, this is I try to elaborate more for the land, natural resources. This actually the basic needs to an industry depend on type of industry. Okay, if the resources is abounded and located in one area, the cost of transporting and operating is cheaper. Okay. However, if it is limited and not available only in one area, the transportation and operation cost may be high. So this is actually demand from the end user, demand from the customer. So this one of the factor, the cost may be high or lower cost. Okay. Okay, a labor workforce. Actually, this is for salary for worker. Okay, right? Matching labor is important, suitable skill. Okay, depend on expert area. Who expert in marketing strategy marketing. For example, so the right matching from the right position actually will help the industry to grow their company, to grow their business, and also grow and high profit income for their business. Okay, so 1%, for example, the industry hire for 1% who have expert in position that industry needed. Compare. Okay, cheap and skilled labor is the main target, of course. Okay, normally the industry try to let's try to give a minimum cost. This is one of the aim, maybe, okay, aim, but have have that situation actually not can give easy for industry. So when they want to hire the expert area, for example, I said just now for marketing strategy and um, or accountant for record their account company. So they have to pay suitable salary for expert area, different with um, I I can call that actually for the fresh worker lah, or fresh graduate. Okay, so they still not, I can call that expert area because still new. Okay, still new. So the salary from the industry may be the minimized salary 1,200. So if compare with the expert area, so have a different because okay, one expert who have a any expert, okay, they can actually they can give more profit to the company. So they can cover all of the fresh graduate or who don't have experience in the position. So the industry or company may facing that, okay, because it actually one of the maybe strategy, and then the process for the industry to grow in the type of industry lah. Okay, so this is a capital. Capital actually, yeah, capital is important in production process, and this includes for purchasing production resources, machine labor cost, transportation cost, and for marketing purpose, of course. For nowadays, during COVID-19, maybe we hear that zero cost marketing, for example, actually for online business. Okay, so actually this is true because, for example, dropship or normally dropship. Okay, so no zero no, zero cost. So actually this is a beginning from business. Okay, just beginning. After that, they have to pay for marketing costs, maybe transportation, maybe for machine or purchasing. So after that, they have to pay something for get something. But this is a process, actually process for individual or company to grow their business or industry. Okay, this is a general determining factor for industry. Okay, energy sources, of course, electricity, coal, petroleum, nuclear power, and etc. This is a two operation machine for production. Of course, energy source very important for that particular. Okay, and second, transportation in divided to three: land, water, and air transport. Okay, to transport raw material and to market the product, of course, to deliver the product, to get the product from the industry, sent to the buyer. Okay, so this is important thing. Actually, the industry or a business have to try to solve if they have any problem from the transportation. And then beside that, okay, the final product, they have to make sure arrive to the customer perfectly. I didn't go perfectly because yeah, sometimes yeah, so many issue actually from the transportation, but they have to try with the solution, or maybe some idea to improve their services. Okay, and then market should located not far from the industry. Of course, it's a big industry, so actually they try to reduce their cost, transportation cost, for sure lah, transportation cost. Okay, technology. The technology must suitable depend on your type of industry. Okay, and then cost effective, of course, because so many actually type of the um, um, marketing. They have to pay, and so this is all of the cost for the processing their business, their industry progress. So cost must be effective, and actually they need that for growth their business. Okay, efficient and up to date, of course, because of during COVID-19 or any issue they have faced, that have to technology or strategy, whatever the idea for growth their business have up to date. Okay, um, they have to challenge whatever situation in the um, business. Okay, low environmental pollution. So this is a new generation for the world. So have to help the law and regulation actually for safety. Okay, tax, license, labor welfare, of course, because um they have some rules. Okay, the industry have to fulfill the requirement, okay, from the government, depend on the government. Okay, environmental regulation, okay, rule relating to pollution and extra. So even though focus to development in the company, in the development in the company, development in the country, still we have to aware about the environment regulation, aware about the effect from the pollution, for example, effect for the new generation, if a new world, if the pollution everywhere in the area of industry. So this is a part the industrial have to particular for the process of their business. Okay, that's all for this topic. Just a little bit for the industrial. This is a little bit for the industrial theory, industrial location theory. Yes, actually this is type the element for the industrial location theory focus on. After that, I will share about more focus to philosophy of this theory and other theory. So I will share here inshallah. Okay, thank you for watching, and assalamualaikum.